It's probably gonna go on YouTube, but I'm not really sure what I really want to do with it yet. But I just got the GoPro, so I'm like testing it out, trying to like get used to it, trying to like learn how to use it, excuse all the mess. But yeah. If the GoPro picks up my breathing, I just breathe very heavily for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I think I have like a stuffed up nose or something. But we're heading to go play some basketball right now, even though I'm like very tired. But hey, gotta put in the work. I hope the angle and everything's like right, because I don't want to like mess it up or anything. Pretty good day today. It's pretty warm. It's like 50 or so, 43, so it's pretty good. It's a bit windy and chilly, but like it's a mix of both worlds. You get like both, and you can just wear like a regular sweater without being like too cold or too hot. And it feels pretty good. It's a 12-minute drive there. This video isn't scripted or anything. I don't know like what to say. I'm just like trying to like say something just to keep it more entertaining. Yeah. It's a nice looking Tesla. I just got out of class, at a math class. It was like a review day, so it wasn't too bad. It could be worse. Still gotta go finish some of the work and stuff, so when I get home, make sure to do that. Take a look at the footage, see how like it turns out. If I like it, I might post it on my YouTube channel, so we'll see how that goes. The GoPro that I'm using is the GoPro Mini 11. So far so good. It seems alright. It does get hot really quickly, so like if you don't like that, or like, well, it's gonna get hot regardless of like what you're using since it's recording. But yeah, it's got its ups and downs. So far it's great. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm on my way there.
Weather is great.
What?
A great weather for hooping today, bro.
Oh God, is it indoor or outside?
I think it's indoor, the community center.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm on my way there.
Me too. I just left the store.
Alright.
I'll be back.
And I'll be over this by now.
The car sounds wonderful. I don't know if I want to like remove the cats eventually, but right now it's straight pipe from the resonator, so like no resonator or muffler, and I think it sounds pretty good, especially when you like shift yourself. Or if you like let the car shift its own, it sounds pretty good too. So it's got a mix of both worlds. Sometimes it's like deep, but then sometimes it's like raspy. And there is a good amount of drones. So like if you don't like that, then this might not be for you. But I'm thinking of like getting a valve controlled muffler, so I can like turn it off and on when I want. So that's currently in the works of me getting that, so we'll see how that goes. I don't think I could fit in there. I could try. Yeah, but I don't want to risk it. Oh, I could fit in there. Probably a lot of wind noise now, so I'm gonna put up the windows just so it's not too loud. Definitely sounds great inside. So, what's up?
That's just $6 to get in, bro.
What do you mean?
You gotta pay $6 to get in.
You gotta pay to get in? That's crazy. What?
Huh?
Why you gotta pay to get in?
I don't know, bro. I no court, but you gotta pay $6.
Man, what the heck?
And they told me most of the niggas aren't left. They're just chilling there, bro. I'm not going there, bro.